Welcome to English ShadowBox.
Hit subscribe and join the flock. Ding!
Effy, stop sipping. We're gonna be so late. I can't find my keys, I haven't eaten, and I'm gonna leave in 2 minutes.
Whoa, Sam, slow down. First, you just said, I gonna. That's a classic mistake. But more importantly, you sound like a textbook.
I know. I just need my keys.
Relax, they're on the fridge. Today is all about 10 daily life phrasal verbs with fast, natural speaking.
10? Oh, wow. My brain already feels tired.
Good, that means it's ready to train.
What are we learning?
You'll master, get along with, figure out, set up, pick up, run into, call back, look for, put off, turn on, and turn off.
And we're doing 10 active speaking reps, right?
Exactly. Not passive listening. Real speaking.
Nice. If you've ever had an embarrassing moment like me, give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe.
Let's turn silent English into real speaking. Okay, Sam, you finally found your keys. But tell me, why are you always in such a rush in the morning?
Honestly, because my whole life is a mess before coffee. I'm looking for my keys, I'm looking for my phone, and I'm looking for my charger. Every morning.
Wow, so you were looking for a lot of things.
Totally. I was looking for my keys, and then I was looking for my phone, and then I was looking for my brain.
That last one is hard.
Very hard.
So, what did you do?
I tried to figure out where everything was, but I couldn't figure it out.
Oh, really? You couldn't figure it out?
No, I was like, where are my keys? Where is my phone? How do I do this?
That's a very common feeling. Let's slow it down. You can say, I need to figure it out.
I need to figure it out. I need to figure it out.
Good.
And finally, you figured it out for me. The keys were on the fridge.
Exactly. Sometimes you just need to figure it out.
True. Also, my roommate and I get along with each other most of the time.
Get along with is great. Say it in a full sentence.
My roommate and I get along with each other.
Nice. And another situation?
I get along with my coworker too.
Great. That's natural.
But yesterday, we did not get along when he took my coffee.
Very real.
Yeah, we don't always get along, but usually we get along really well.
Nice. That's useful.
Then I tried to set up my new phone.
Good. Use it in another sentence too.
I set up my new phone last night.
Great. And another one?
Can you help me set up the Wi-Fi?
Perfect.
I tried to set up the printer too, but I gave up.
Good. Classic Sam.
I know. I always need help to set things up.
That's okay. Now, what about your morning coffee?
I picked up coffee on the way here.
Great. Say it again.
I picked up coffee on the way here.
And another one?
Can you pick up some milk after work?
Excellent.
I also picked up my sister from the train station yesterday.
Very good. Pickup is everywhere in daily life.
Oh, absolutely. Then I ran into my neighbor.
Nice. Use it twice.
I ran into my neighbor at the store. I ran into my old teacher, too.
Wow, you were busy.
I know. I didn't plan it. I just ran into people all morning.
Great phrase.
I also need to call back my boss.
Good. Again?
I'll call back my boss after lunch.
Perfect.
My mom called me and I forgot to call back.
Very relatable.
Yes, I'm terrible at callback.
It's call back, not call back later forever.
Ouch. True.
What else happened?
I was going to clean the house, but I kept putting off cleaning.
Good. Say it in a second sentence, too.
I put off cleaning yesterday.
Nice. Another one?
I keep putting off exercise too.
Wow, honest Sam.
Yeah, I always put things off.
That's why your room looks like a storm.
Hey!
Sorry.
Later, I turned on the computer, then turned off the TV.
Great. Again.
I turned on the lights. Then I turned off the alarm.
Excellent.
I turn on everything when I wake up.
And turn off nothing, apparently.
Exactly.
So let's do a quick mistake check, okay?
Uh-oh. Yes?
You said, I am figure out my schedule.
Wait, is that wrong?
Yes. We say, I need to figure it out.
Oh, figure it out.
Right. Not, I am figure out.
Okay, I need to figure it out.
Perfect.
That makes sense.
Good. Use that phrase again.
That makes sense. Totally.
Nice.
So today I looked for my keys, figured it out, set up my phone, picked up coffee, ran into people, called back my boss, put off cleaning, turned on the computer, and turned off the TV.
Wow, that's a full day.
And I get along with my roommate. Mostly.
Great. Now we're ready for mouth gym. All right, here is where the magic happens. This is the part that actually turns you into a speaker. We're starting our 3-step loop. Don't just let the sound hit your ears. Let's get those mouth muscles moving. You've got this.
And this is the part where I try not to say everything too slowly.
Now, this is my favorite part, our breakthrough moment. We're going to do the 3-step loop together. I'm right here with you, so don't be shy. This isn't a listening test. It's your time to shine. Speak out loud with me.
Okay, I'm ready. My mouth is warming up.
Ready to wake up your voice? This is our signature mouth gym session. We're doing the 3-step loop. Even if you're in a coffee shop or on a bus, just whisper it. If Sam can do it without tripping over his own tongue, you definitely can.
Hey, I heard that. But she's right. Let's do it.
Sentence 1. I need to figure it out.
Listen to the link. Figure it out sounds smooth. Stress on need, figure, and out. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 2. We get along really well.
Listen to the link. Get along. Stress on get, along, and well. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 3. Can you set up the Wi-Fi?
Listen to setup. It is short and clear. Stress on set, y, and fi. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 4. I ran into my teacher at the store.
Listen to ran into. Stress on ran, teacher, and store. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 5. I keep putting off cleaning.
Listen to putting off. Stress on keep, putting, and cleaning. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Nice. Now let's do a fast repeat round.
Great. I'm ready.
I need to figure it out.
I need to figure it out.
We get along really well.
We get along really well.
Can you set up the Wi-Fi?
Can you set up the Wi-Fi?
I ran into my teacher at the store.
I ran into my teacher at the store.
I keep putting off cleaning.
I keep putting off cleaning.
Great. Now let's use them in real life.
Oh, really? Real life is where I panic.
Not anymore. Try this. Can you help me?
I need to figure it out.
Nice. How is your roommate?
We get along really well.
Good. Did you install the new phone?
I set up my new phone last night.
Excellent. Who did you see at the store?
I ran into my teacher at the store.
Great. Did you clean the kitchen?
I keep putting off cleaning.
Honest. Very honest.
Wow, this feels less scary now.
That is the point. Your brain learns by speaking again and again.
So I should not wait until I feel ready?
Exactly. Speak first. Confidence comes later.
That makes sense.
Yes, it really does. Let's talk about modern life for a second.
Oh, really? I'm listening.
In WFH meetings, voice notes, and texts, these phrasal verbs show up all the time.
Yes, I hear them everywhere.
People say, call me back, figure it out, set up the meeting, and turn off the camera.
Wow, that is so real.
And if you're using AI or translation apps, you might understand the meaning, but you still need to train your mouth.
My mouth definitely needs training.
Exactly. That's why we do mouth gym.
Nice.
Also, in side hustles and digital nomad life, these phrases are everywhere in emails, chats, and short calls.
So phrasal verbs are not just classroom words.
Right, they are daily English.
I see.
The key is simple. Hear it, repeat it, use it.
Hear it, repeat it, use it.
Perfect. Quick recap. Today we learned get along with, figure out, set up, pick up, run into, call back, look for, put off, turn on, and turn off.
And we practiced. I need to figure it out. We get along really well. Can you set up the Wi-Fi? I ran into my teacher at the store. I keep putting off cleaning.
Perfect.
Now your turn.
Answer in the comments, and you must use at least 2 of today's new phrasal verbs.
Tell us, which one is hardest for you? Figure out, set up, or put off?
I'll personally check the comments to like or correct your sentences.
So don't be shy, write it down.
If you spoke out loud today, give us a like.
Subscribe to English ShadowBox and hit the bell so you never miss a shadowing session.
Share this with that one friend who understands but can't speak. Let's practice together. Turn silent English into real speaking.
And we'll see you in the next English ShadowBox.
Bye!